Hey guys, Star here. If you're sick and tired of logging into so many different platforms, this video is for you. If you're an agency owner, you're managing a Google business profile as well as a Facebook business page, I'm going to show you how you can easily integrate those logins directly into HighLevel so that you no longer have to log in and manage those assets manually. You can manage your business details, check on reviews, and stay up to date with any updates all in one place, HighLevel. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to want to be on the sub-account level. Then I want you to go ahead and scroll down to reputation. Then I want you to go to the top and click on listings. So once you click on listings, then you're going to see online presence under your account. You'll see Facebook as well as Google Business Profile. You're going to notice that the entities are not yet set up, so go ahead and just click Link Now. Once you click on Link Now, you'll be taken to a page that shows that an action is required for both the Facebook business page as well as your Google Business Profile. So what you'll need to do is just simply click on Connect for the Facebook page. You'll be taken to your Facebook account so that you can go ahead and log in. So we're going to go ahead and select continue. Once you've selected continue, you're just going to go ahead and select the business page that you would like to connect and hit continue. You'll see that you'll have a profile picture and a cover photo, and just go ahead and select complete. So you'll have one of one task completed. Now we're going to do the same for the Google Business Profile. We'll go ahead and click connect, and you're going to sync your Google Business Profile with the listings data in your account. So go ahead and select confirm and connect. Once you've done that, it'll ask you to link those accounts. So we'll click link accounts, and you're just going to go ahead and select the Google account that you're going to log in with that manages that particular profile. So go ahead and hit continue, and then you'll hit continue again. Now you're going to see that your Google Business Profile is actually selected, and you're going to go ahead and hit continue. So you'll see that the Facebook account is connected. And the way that you know that both of these are connected is that you'll see the green connected next to Facebook. And once your Google Business Profile is connected, you'll also see that this will be green showing connected. So go ahead and integrate your Google Business Profile along with your Facebook business page so that you can manage everything right inside of HighLevel and eliminate all of those external logins.